forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Another prayers. Give thanks to life.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer.
Lashings.
Yes guys, can you see the sign behind us? So,
Lashings.
where are we, babes? What parish are we in?
We're in St. Elizabeth.
We are in Setbest. What's it called? The
bread basket parish.
The bread basket parish. We're in St. Elizabeth and we are in Lashings.
Lashings.
Yes, Lashings Boutique Hotel and Beach Club. So guys, first of all, let me just show you what we're working with. So the pool there. See the you can see the beach behind me. Yeah. We're gonna take you on a tour, we're gonna show you around, but Lashings, yeah. So we've been hearing about Lashings, seeing Lashings online for a little while. We had to come and check it out. Beautiful, that's all I can say, beautiful.
How many times have I said Lashings? How many times have I said Lashings?
Yes. So Lashings is in two parts. So there's like the Lashings Boutique Hotel, which is about 5 minutes drive from here. That's the main part where the restaurant is. There's like a little art gallery there. Beautiful. And then you've got Lashings Beach Club, which is about 5 minutes drive away, which is here where we are. So we've got the beach part. Guys, I think we're here by ourselves.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so of course we're going to give you a little tour around, go down on the beach, show you that, show you our room, show you the drive-in, the surrounding areas.
I don't know, I had nothing from alone.
Show you the boutique hotel part up there, at the top part. But so far, impressions are really good.
Beautiful.
Really nice.
I tell you. Yeah,
consider the South Coast people. Consider St. Elizabeth, Treasure Beach. We're in Treasure Beach. Lashings is in Treasure Beach.
Yes.
And it's so far it's beautiful. I love it here.
A few little more things to show now. Just follow it.
Yeah. Guys, what do you think about Mr. Outlaw's glasses?
Whoa.
Makes him look like a big man, right? Even though he's a big man anyway, but getting that big man swag, you know.
like it, yeah. I like it.
I keep telling him, he's been wearing these glasses. I keep saying to him,
like
you got your big man, you know, your big man swag on with them glasses. Yeah, but you can see better now.
Another prayers.
You can see better now.
You see good all over.
People, it was like squinching his eyes to read things and everything, but
you look a fine print there.
The fine print.
Go on, make sure of them.
Make sure the fine print's good.
That's what the damage there. You know, every little thing. The fine print.
He kept saying, I need glasses because I can't read the fine print.
No one see what go on the fine print. That's where the damage is. Otherwise.
So, guys, of course, we're going to keep you filled in. Take you along with us. Yeah, Lashings.
I don't know where things go. So, around the way else we go. Lashings.
A little more people. Jack's well renowned food place. So there's two entrances you can come in. We're going to come in through this way, which is straight into the restaurant area and chill out area. Oh. Yeah. Morning. You have this area. You can come and play pool, bar, yeah, pool, bar. Okay, cool. And you can just admire this beautiful view. The seating area. Look at this. Wow. Look at that, people. Beautiful. Treasure Beach. Treasure Beach.
People, it's work. Lashings, I'm saying. You know what I think? Pool bar.
Pool bar.
Like a chill pill at the pool bar, you know?
Yeah. Okay. So what else? Look a bit more.
Guitar, another thing. Man, the whole time something, yeah?
Yeah.
The cover sound system, the whole works. The speaker box and something there. A part of everything.
What's interesting is that everything is made out of wood, right?
Yes.
Everything.
Actually willing. Yeah. Alright. I have to go basket. Go past it. Yeah, just go swinging. Like you're going winging. Yeah. Peace out.
Thing there wants a piece of the swinging too.
Song for life. Man, your wife.
Come in. Can you recognize anybody? No, not many people. Right next to this, one of my favorite artists, Maxi Bruce. Yeah. Maxi. And that's Junior Gong, Daniel Marley.
Breastfeeding, I was saying.
I got that ready. Okay. I love this one. I love that picture. Wait. Okay.
Nice one.
You say.
All bananas, man. Never drop it.
So our room is called the Guava room, and this is meant to be a guava. Picture of a guava.
A new guava.
But let me show you from here. It's big, so it's in like 2 parts. In front there. When you come in, you've got this area here. It's a large area. Got like chairs. There's like a bed thing there as well. Okay, and you go in. Big room again.
Yeah, grab it. You know, believe it.
That's it. Okay, so that's where we are staying, that side. The chairs out here.
Beautiful.
And then look at this. Oh my gosh. Look, little hammock over there. I'm gonna sit under the tree. It's not so hot, it's not so sunny today, but beautiful nonetheless. Look at this, guys. Look at what's on our doorstep. Look at this, this little stretch of beach. And we are the only ones here. Look at this. Look. How beautiful is that? Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth, Lashings.
That's not my name. Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. Come on, Lashings, never regret.
Is that free promo?
Right now. Paper. Security tight on the beach side. When I say security tight, look there. The dog, man.
Yeah, this is the resident dog. What's it called again? I can't remember what it's called. But that's a resident dog. And even at the top part in the Lashings Boutique part, they have 2 really cute dogs up there. But look at this. So guys, again, we were here. That's where we were. And then you've got this right here. I think that the boutique part is more popular. I see more people staying at the boutique part 5 minutes away. But guys, because I think the rooms are probably a little bit more grandeur, more, you know, a bit more upscale. But guys, this, I would do the beach club any day to have this on my doorstep.
You know what things are tough. We don't really eat it up. Hyper type or something.
No, it's nice to be happy tappy sometimes, but I think
here,
this just, I just think this just, yeah,
natural surrounding.
This just tops it off. You can imagine tomorrow morning when we wake up, we can just come down here. First thing.
Yeah, first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
Before I go up on the front. I mean, I get the place. I don't know front.
Yeah, how nice. And then you can just see, me zoom in.
Nice to see.
All the way around.
Like it.
Beautiful.
Want a drink now?
Started to drizzle, you know. About to go in.
I'm listening. Yeah. punch. I see them might try to change it up and call it calico jack.
Yeah.
But a rum punch, me say. It's the same thing, people, but...
It says rum punch on it.
Yeah, but you know it as rum punch. I feel them look at things when I try to put in everything. I be telling them try to dip them things in everything.
I'm drinking... Sorry guys, can you hold it? Without that in your hand. I'm drinking the sorrel beer. Nice and easy going for me.
People, when in Jamaica, when you have sorrel, nobody no need to quarrel.
Yeah. But this is it, guys. So this is our little home for the night. Yeah. Sorry, what did you say?
And your people don't actually mad me.
Mad you how?
With the principles and rules.
So you don't like to be a man of principle and a man of rules?
I am a man of principle and rules.
So...
Sometimes I think them overdid, you know.
Okay, and what kind of principle and rules do we ever do it?
Many things.
Okay, name one.
Wearing seatbelt.
Wearing a seatbelt. People are hearing this. Seatbelt saves lives. Seatbelt should be the difference between life and death. Yeah. What do you say about that? Something as simple as a seatbelt could save your life. Is that not important to you?
Very important. That's why they make it in the car.
Okay. So why do you not always adhere to that rule?
Because I know something I used to. I try to get used to it now. Sometimes.
It slips you up.
Yeah. Sometimes you move like Miss Bucky, you know, with me, you know. Nah, it's still like a mini and Richard, you know.
Gosh. Guys, are you hearing this? So he calls me Mrs. Bouquet all the time. Now, for those in the UK, you'll know this show, Keeping Up Appearances. You know Mrs. Bouquet, Mrs. Bucket, Mrs. Bouquet, and Richard. He always calls me Mrs. Bouquet because he thinks I act like Mrs. Bouquet. Why would you say that? Why?
Because you make an alarm and everything.
Like he would say to me, like I was saying, when he's driving, I would say like, watch the person, mind the car. You see the car there? Like you know like how Mrs. Bouquet says it to Richard. So he calls me Mrs. Bouquet.
Yeah, it's like that.
He don't call me Deezer too often. Mrs. Bouquet is what he calls me.
It work out, man. Because we don't really care when we do like that. Because we understand what I'm talking about. I really say me that now.
He does. He calls me Mrs. Bouquet all the time. Hyacinth. I don't think I act like Hyacinth, but that's what he calls me. So whatever.
It work, man.
I'm just making sure you're good, babes. That's all.
Man, as a prayers, give thanks to life.
Right.
That's why we need a wife.
Okay. Yeah.
So I look food still.
Yeah.
For bush mouth.
People, them glasses, he won't leave them alone now.
So we have them for
ever since he's had them, but they're like reading glasses. People, they're reading glasses. Reading glasses. Everywhere we go, he's got on these glasses. Yeah.
It's not only for reading, people. Everything.
It's for reading.
See if we do everything the same way, people. We're not reading at all.
It's for reading.
Then we can see the fine dots. Those little dots, you can see them here or there, wherever it is. That's the whole point of these glasses. So, you know what I think? Lashings glasses.
Thank you.
Sir. Another prize. Long life and prosperity.
Yeah.
How we think of it?
What did you get?
Yeah. Steamed fish.
Steamed fish.
Yeah.
What's it? Sweet potato fries?
Yeah, sweet potato fries. So you know something named steamed fish at Lashings. When you come at Lashings, you have to eat steamed fish because you know what it means. Lashings. So you have to put that something in the midst of everything. Blend back to Lashings.
Alright, people, I got chicken, mashed potato, Irish.
What to do?
Irish mashed potato.
That's something to in, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thanks. Yeah.
What's it? Good, yeah? To go.
So guys, it's the next day. We've spent a night at
Morning,
Lashings.
people, morning.
Good morning, good morning. Sorry, excuse my manners. Good morning, it's the next day. As you would have seen, we spent the night in Lashings. We're checking out now. We've had a good stay, and we're going to try and explore Treasure Beach, should I say, a little bit more. So look out for some videos coming up on what other things you can do in Treasure Beach. But guys, we're leaving this behind. Look at this pool, beautiful beach. Yeah, good times. It's been good. So we've had a good stay. I would definitely recommend Lashings in Treasure Beach, and we'll definitely be back, right?
It worked.
Yeah. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please do watch the ads, and until next time, that me say.
It worked. Give thanks.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.